Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make rice crackers at home. They are delicious to eat, chemical free, no preservatives, and hence they are healthy and tasty. So let's begin how to make this wonderful cracker. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share the recipe. Also don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you get notification about my next recipe that I will be posting on my channel. So let's begin. Let's make these wonderful crackers at home instead of going to the store and buying them. Quickly go ahead and season the rice before blending. I'm going to use chicken stock or chicken essence, which will replace the salt. Just enough salt. If you don't have chicken essence, you can add salt, or you can add wet stock powder as well. Next I'm going to use garlic powder, about 1 big teaspoon, get a nice garlicky flavor. Okay. Let's go ahead and cover this and start blending it. So let's open the blender now. Have a look. It's nicely turned into a nice paste. So let's use this rice paste now. So I've emptied the rice paste into a bowl. Have a look at it. Okay. So now I'm going to use this for my crackers. To this now I've added about 150 grams of tapioca flour. Okay. And I'm going to mix it up. If required, I'll add more. So I'm going to keep adding dough until it forms into a nice soft dough. Okay. All right. Just before I continue to mix it, I'm also going to take about a teaspoon of vegetable oil and add that. Okay. All right. Let's continue now. Okay. It still feels wet, so I'm going to add another 100 grams of tapioca flour. It has to become like a dough, like a bread dough, soft bread dough. That kind of consistency I'm looking at. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to keep kneading it until it forms into a nice dough, similar to a bread dough, and then get back to you. So the dough is now ready. So I've used like about 250 grams of tapioca flour to make this dough. Okay. So let's continue now. So now let's form them into cylinder shaped so that's easier for you to cut it when you're making shapes. See, like this. Okay. So I'm going to continue making all this into a cylinder shape and get back. So here you go. I've made 3 cylinders using the dough that I made. What I've also done is lightly brushed it with vegetable oil so that it does not stick to each other, nor does it stick to the base of the steamer. Now what I'm going to do is let them steam for about an hour or so and get back to you. So see you back in an hour. It's been now like about an hour or so that it has been steaming. You can see it's almost doubled its size as well. Let this cool now for about 24 hours. Once it hardens a little bit, we're gonna then work on it to make chips. It's been now 24 hours. Look how firm they look now. Okay, so I'm going to use a mandolin and I'm going to cut them into thin slices like so. I've already started cutting them. See? Okay, so once I complete cutting all of them into thin slices, I'll get back to you. I'm just going to simply just run it through like this. How they get sliced, thin slices. Okay, all right, I'll get back to you once I've done with all of it. If you do not have a mandolin or a slicer, you can also cut it thinly with your sharp knife. Okay, and that's equally as good as cutting with a mandolin. Just ensure that the slices are really thin. See now, they've dried almost, and both the trays are now in one tray. That means you can imagine how much they have shrunk. These crackers have already dried up now. Look at it. It's already translucent and it's hard. See? They don't. If I press it hard, it's going to be brittle. So at this stage, you know that this cracker is now dried up. You can continue to let them drying in the sun, but we're now going to test it with hot oil. So here you go. My rice crackers are now ready to eat. Let's go ahead and try them. Look how crunchy and delicious they look. Let's try it now. Delicious, absolutely crunchy, perfectly spiced. Everything is nice. If you like this recipe and you want to try this at home, don't forget to subscribe and also share the recipe with your friends and family. Don't forget to also click on the like and comment. Also don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you get notification when I post my next recipe. Do try this at home and make it at home. They are more healthy, no chemicals, absolutely no preservatives, and they're absolutely divine to eat. Alright then, thank you so much for watching. I hope you will try this at home. Let me take another one and bite it.